Guys, so today I have the case of the hiccups. So this is how you treat hiccups. So first, get a glass of water, a bottle of water, that's what I'm using. Then put a straw in the water. Now pay attention to the part, because this part is very crucial. You put your fingers in your ears, then just take a sip. Whew, much better. And then after a few minutes, the hiccups will be gone. So that is how to kill hiccups. Alright guys, bye.